We are back at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. We were there the first night, and boy, oh boy, is there a lot to do. There is so much stuff we didn't get to see. So we are coming back, but this time we're actually doing the extra ticketed event, which is the fireworks party. It's a dessert party where you sit on the terrace. It's 2 hours, and you watch the Sanderson sisters show, then the fireworks, and then you get to stay a little bit after and just enjoy more desserts. And, well, there's alcohol. So that's what we're going to check out this time. And then stay tuned for afterwards for our review of what we thought. So the fireworks start at 10. You can arrive as early as 9 to the dessert party on the terrace. And it's a great opportunity to take advantage of that unlimited snacks and drinks and also get yourself a good seat. We're at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, and tonight we are doing the terrace view fireworks party with all of the free desserts and alcohol. So let's take a look at what our choices are. at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. And we just finished the fireworks. We did the terrace view where you stay on the terrace to watch the fireworks. So it's 2 hours. You get there an hour early and you can stay an hour late. It's unlimited snacks and drinks, which I'll show you what all that is. But now we need to talk about, was this worth it? So here's my short answer. If you can afford it, it's worth it. You get a designated place to sit, which if you've ever been on Main Street trying to watch the fireworks, you know that if you had a designated place to sit down all by yourself, that is definitely worth some dollars right there to not be in this crowd. Also, the snacks, not that great. They're not worth the price, which was around $100. Definitely not worth the price. Now, let's talk drinks. There's wine, there's champagne, and there's beer. So if you want to drink at the Magic Kingdom, you know it's usually about, not here, but other places, about $15 a drink. So if you're going to drink, you could make your money back in the drinks. But for the most part, I'd say I would definitely do it again, but I probably would focus more on the drinking and less on the eating of sugary snacks. So let's ask Carrie what her opinion on the party was. What's your opinion on the fireworks party?
I feel like the party is definitely worth it as a one-off. Do it, treat yourself to it, enjoy it. It won't be something that you will feel the need to spend the money on again. Definitely agree with Katie's assessment on less snacks, more drinks. I got to drink champagne while I watched the fireworks show. We had an unobstructed view. We were right on the fence line. It was absolutely beautiful. So I would tell people to do it once, just at least one time. Do it during this party, Christmas party, when there isn't a party, one time, enjoy it, and then check it off your list.
That's actually a good point that you bring up. Is it worth taking 2 hours out of the party to do the fireworks?
So I did see people say it's not worth it because it does take time out. We're lucky enough to live here so we can come multiple times. If you only have one day to do the party, do not do the dessert party. Come to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. Enjoy it for the 5 hours that you can, or 8 hours if you come at 4 o'clock. But if you're lucky enough to do a festival party more than one time, then maybe sneak the dessert party in.
So do you think that this party was anything more special than just a regular night party?
No.
So there was nothing like proprietary about
maybe the
fact.
crepe station?
So there wasn't anything that was necessary like proprietary about the fact that it was during the Halloween party. So you wouldn't necessarily feel like it's going to be special or out of the ordinary because it's during the Halloween party. It's not. One of the people we are with said they've actually done it on a regular night and it was less quality than on a regular night. So you're not necessarily getting something more special because it is the night of the party. So I would say don't waste your party time, 2 hours of your party time to go to that. There's so much to do at these parties. We haven't even done 95% of what there is to do at this party. And it's almost over. We have the parade and then the Sanderson Sisters show at midnight and then it's over.